Okay, I can't find the stem, guys. It's been like almost more than 10 minutes. I can't find the stem. I'm very scared. Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are well and are also in good health and wealth. As you can see, मेरे हाथ में ये जो है वो पॉम पॉम नहीं बट कप है एंड आज वो दिवस है जहाँ पे मैं ये कप यूज करने वाली हूँ फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ एंड मैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाली हूँ विद यू गाइज. आई डोंट नो मैं इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली मेरे लास्ट वीडियो में क्यों बोली कि यू नो व्हाट गाइज, आई एम प्लानिंग टू यूज अ कप, लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट. अब उसके वजह से मुझे बहुत प्रेशर फील हो रहा है बट आई मीन इट्स फाइन बिकॉज वन डे और द अदर आई हैड टू यूज इट, क्योंकि मैंने मेरे दोस्तों से, मेरे गायनेक से और भी मेरे बाकी कलीग से सुना है कि यू नो यूजिंग कप इट्स अ लाइफ चेंजर, लाइक यू नो you don't even you need to use pads again. तो मैंने बहुत सारे positive reviews सुने from people, but also I've heard a lot of negative reviews from few others. If you're watching my video for the first time, let me just tell you that I had vaginismus before, so it's gonna be extra difficult for me to put anything down there inside me, but let's do it because क्या बोलते हैं, डर के आगे जीत है. ठीक है, तो अभी मैंने दो साइजेस में लिया है. एक ये स्मॉल है, ठीक है, ऐसा दिखता है, एंड ये नीचे उसका स्टेम है जो बहुत ही छोटा है, एंड देन दिस इज मीडियम. One second, this is medium, ठीक है, and this is how it looks. ठीक है, I took it from this brand called as P-Safe, but there are other menstrual cup brands also, जैसे कि Carmesi है, then there is She Cup, फिर there is another brand called as, I think it's called as Cyrone or Cyrona, I don't know, something like that. So there are these brands, you can take from any of them. ठीक है, मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे recommend किया कि तू ये ब्रांड से ले ले, तो मैंने ले लिया. अब apparently जितना मैंने लोगों से पूछा है, जितना मैंने वीडियोस देखा है, उससे मुझे समझ में आता है कि if you are a first timer using the cups or if you're a beginner, you should be starting with either a size small or a size M. Size large is not recommended for us, it's recommended for women जिन्होंने vaginally childbirth किया है. ठीक है, else it's not recommended for us. तो let's see, I think for me small would suit, but मैंने M भी लेके रखा है क्योंकि पहले मैं M ट्राई करने वाली हूँ, फिर मैं S ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna try inserting this live on camera so that I can understand what I am feeling and even you can understand, like जो भी मैं करने वाली हूँ, you know, the do's and don'ts, we all can understand more clearly about it. अभी क्या करना है ये दोनों cups को, because it's the first time I've got my hands on these cups, we have to sterilize it. That means boil it in the water for like 5 to 7 minutes. ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम जब आप यूज करते हो आपको उसको स्टेरलाइज करना है. देन उसके बाद जब आप कप को इंसर्ट करोगे एंड आफ्टर कपल ऑफ आवर जब आप वो कप को निकालोगे धोने के लिए, यू कैन जस्ट यूज अ mild unscented soap to wash these cups and then you can reinsert it, or you can also use a menstrual cup wash. मैंने एक menstrual cup wash लेके रखा है, okay, from this brand again, but there are other brands also जिसका आप ले सकते हो. ठीक है, because मैंने सुना है कि you should not use a very scented or very strong soap or a hand wash. Dettol वेटॉल और जो भी scented बहुत strong soaps हैं उसको यूज करना नहीं है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम इस कप को उबालेंगे. ठीक है, उसके बाद we will go to my washroom and then I'm gonna try inserting. पहले मैं M insert करती हूँ. ठीक है, पहले मैं बड़ा साइज insert करके देखूंगी if this works and then I will try size small. Let's see, जो भी है live on camera होगा तो आपको पता चलेगा whatever I'm feeling. So without any further delay, let's get this started. And हाँ, also one more thing, आपको लगता है कि आप comfortable नहीं हो when I'm using words like insertion, blood, vagina, etc etc. अगर आपको ये सारी बातें gross लगती है then you can skip this video because I don't know मैं इसको और कितना ज़्यादा filter करके बोल सकती हूँ, नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से. ठीक है, so now let's go to the kitchen. इसको उबालते हैं and then हम जाएंगे washroom. I just hope सब अच्छे से हो जाए. Let's see क्या होता है. So I'm boiling both the cups अभी. Okay, it's almost been like 5 minutes. ठीक है, so as you can see जैसे ये बुलबुले थोड़े आते हैं you can just switch it off and थोड़े टाइम के लिए तुम उसको उसमें ही रख सकते हो. ठीक है, you don't have to instantly remove. So अब मैं इसको बंद करने वाली हूँ. just keep it, थोड़ा cool down होने दो इसको and then you can remove it. Okay, so I successfully removed the cup and right now we are in my washroom. तो मेरा voice थोड़ा echo हो सकता है, मैंने फिर भी mic डाला है. ठीक है, just ignore the background. Lysol, Harpic, Warpic, जो भी washroom में होता है वो सब कुछ है. ठीक है, so these are the cups I have right now and I will tell you guys something what I've learned. ठीक है, there are a couple of ways you can insert the cup and there are a couple of positions through which you can insert it. ठीक है, अभी पहले तो ये बताती हूँ कि कैसे इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं कप को. आई जस्ट होप माई माइक एंड लाइक आई एम ऑडिबल. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉल वन. ठीक है, अभी एक मैंने सुना है कि सी फोल्ड होता है, फिर एक और कुछ तो 7 फोल्ड होता है. ठीक है, क्या मगजमारी है यार, मेरे को खुद को सोच के टेंशन आ रहा है. बट लेट मी टेल यू सी फोल्ड क्या होता है. आई विल शो यू. पहले मैं फोल्ड करती हूँ, देन आई विल शो यू. ठीक है, ऐसा करके ऐसा करना है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज वन वे यू कैन इंसर्ट इट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सी फोल्ड. ओके, आई होप दिख रहा हो. okay, this is one way you can insert it. Second is 7 fold. अब इसमें क्या होता है, this is the cup. ठीक है, ऐसे करना है. ठीक है, and then just hold it ऊपर से. That's it. This is one way. Okay, so I don't know, this way is what I feel is better, because if you see, if this is your vaginal hole, you can just slowly put it like that. Okay, अब अगर आ रहा है, ऊपर आ रहा है, you can just do it, and then नीचे से you can just pinch it, and ऐसा वो open होता है अंदर. So this is what you want to do. So I think better than the C fold, the 7 fold is better. And हाँ, अभी how can you insert it? Positions. एक ये है, suppose you have an Indian washroom, you can just sit in a squatting position, ऐसा नीचे, and you can try inserting it. Second, you can sit on top of a European washroom. I have a European washroom. उसके ऊपर बैठ के तुम कर सकते हो. Third, you can keep your one leg on top of the toilet seat or a tap or anything like that. So now I have removed my garments down there, and now I'm just going to fold my dress, and I'm just going to tuck it inside my bra, and then we're going to get it started. Yeah. Let's do it. Fine. I'm just gonna keep my one leg here. वो तुमको दिखेगा नहीं. Hopefully कुछ दिखे ना. I'll start with medium. Wait, let me try this. Let me see if medium goes. Again the same 7 fold cup. ठीक है, ऐसा किया मैंने, ऐसा पकड़ा, and this is how it's looking. ठीक है, so I'm gonna focus on putting this inside. Now you do not have to worry about the wetness, because you're going to be on your period, so it's well lubricated down there. But if you want, you can just damp it with water. I've seen videos where people are telling oil डाल के करो, वो सब मत करना. My gynac has strictly told me not to do that. Okay, so let's do it like that only. Fine. Wait, I'm just panicking. See, number one thing is you don't have to panic. So just breathe, because the more you'll panic, तुम्हारा muscles वहाँ पे और rigid होगा. Okay? I'll try to expand more. I'm keeping my legs more wide. ठीक है, let's do it. Shit, it's not going. I can't even show you all. It's fully bloody down there. It's not going inside. I don't know why. Like, I'm trying to push it. So let's try the cup again. I can't show you the fold again because it's all bloody. No. It's not going. I don't know. I think it's big for me. I'm gonna try the small first. I'm just gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash my hand. Sorry, guys. Now we're gonna try the small one again the same way. This should go, because what was happening was the medium one, like I will show you now because I've cleaned up my hand and everything. क्या हो रहा था पता है, ये medium वाला है, ये सिर्फ इतना जा रहा था and it was not going. So I was trying to push it, it was not going. So I didn't want to force myself, because I don't want to put my body in a lot of stress during these days. Okay, so now let's try the small one. ठीक है, this should go is what I'm feeling. So let's see. Again the same 7 folded method. ठीक है, oh dear, fine. Okay, this is going. This is going. Is it gone? So basically it's inside, but I'm really scared to let it go, because if I let it go, that means it's gonna just go a bit up. And I know biologically it's not possible for the cup to get lost there, but I'm just scared, okay? Should I let it go? Okay, now the thing is I'm still holding the stem. It's completely inside, but now I have to try pinching the place above the stem so that it pops open, and tap करके आवाज आना चाहिए. That's when you know it's open. Else it will be folded inside and then you're gonna leak. Okay, so you don't have to do that. So wait, let's try. Now it is inside. I'm just trying to turn it so that I can pinch the base above the stem so that वो open हो जाए. The cup has to open. The cup is folded. मैंने उसको folding में अंदर डाला है. Okay, I'm trying to pinch it. Okay, it's inside. Is it open? Let me check again. Basically, there's another way how you can check if the cup is open. You have to put your finger and you have to just rotate it around the base of the cup. So if it is folded, you will understand. वो दबा हुआ है. If it is not, you will understand it's open. Okay, I think it's open. Yeah, it's open. It's open. वो टप करके हुआ, अभी ओपन हुआ लगता है. I was just trying to pinch the base. Okay, fine. Am I feeling it? Okay, fine. Okay, let's go outside because I'm sweating and I'm scared. The cup is officially inside me. I mean, I can't feel anything, so I think that's a good thing. और मैंने पैड भी डाला है just in case कुछ लीकेज हो जाए. The cup is fully open inside me. मैंने अच्छे से circumference check किया. Right now, I can't feel anything. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I can't feel anything. So that's a good thing, I guess. But I don't know, I'm also very scared that I can't feel anything, because where the fuck did it go? Why can't I feel shit, So let's see. I'm gonna give it a couple of hours. Okay, so guys, almost 1 घंटा ऊपर हो चुका है and I can feel ब्लड इन माई पैड. ओके, तो मैंने वापस से जाके वॉशरूम में चेक किया एंड मेरे पैड में ब्लड आ रहा है. तो अगेन मैंने फिंगर इंसर्ट करके चेक किया कि इफ द कप इज फुल्ली ओपन, एंड यस द कप वॉज फुल्ली ओपन. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. आई शुड नॉट बी लीकिंग considering my cup is open. I don't know, luckily अच्छा है कि मैंने पैड डाल दिया, but I'm not liking it because what's the point of using a cup if you have to wear pads. Okay, so hi guys, it's almost 2.5 hours now and I just went to the washroom again to check. Like obviously my pad is not full of blood like earlier जब मैं बिना कप के यूज़ करती तब होता था, but there are like spottings here and there. Okay, and I again tried putting my finger in to check if everything is fine, and yeah, I can feel the cup, but I don't know यार what is happening. So I think I'll again like give another half an hour and then मैं अंदर जाके check करने वाली हूँ. So I'm in the washroom again and I don't know, जब मैंने last time touch किया था it was open, the cup was open, so I don't understand how is my pad still getting that blood and how is my pad still absorbing the blood? How am I leaking down there? I don't understand. Now apparently my gynec, she says, I just called her and she's like, you know what Sonali, if the flow is too heavy on your day one, your cup can fill in a couple of hours. Okay, so probably that's the case. I don't know. If once I remove the cup, then I will understand. Abhi ye removal alag bhang bochda hai bhenchod, because okay, let's find the stem and see. Stem find करने के बाद let me tell you, do not pull the stem directly बाहर, ठीक है? Because when you do that, तुम्हारे वहाँ के muscles loose हो जाते हैं and it's not good. You can just look it up online. I'm not lying, ठीक है? जैसे वो stem मिलता है, try to put your finger more up and try to pinch the base above the stem, ताकि वो vacuum release हो जाए. एक बार वो vacuum release हो जाएगा, वो suction निकल जाएगा and then slowly pull it out. Okay? Ready, steady, go. Fuck, I can't find the stem. Shit. Okay, I can't find the stem, guys. It's been like almost more than 10 minutes. I can't find the stem. I'm very scared. Okay, I got hold of the stem. Trust me, I'm just feeling like I should pull it out, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pinch the base. Wait. It's out. So I washed the cup, I washed my hand and everything, and it's a pool of blood down here. But I don't know, people say कि they can wear this cup for like 8-9 hours, but मैंने सिर्फ इसको 3 घंटा मुश्किल से पहना. 3 घंटा भी नहीं, I think it was just 2.5 hours based on the time calculation. I'm not gonna lie, the cup was fully open inside and a full यहाँ तक भर गया है. So when I removed it, it was filled with blood and my blood clot. तो 3 घंटे my cup was filled. इसके लिए I was leaking down there. Luckily मैंने pad डाला, बहुत अच्छा हुआ, else मेरे पूरे पैंट में होता. So I don't know, I'll just call my gynec and I'll ask if it's normal. Okay, so hi guys, I just spoke to my gynec and I explained her the whole situation, and she told me that, you know what, this is what I was telling you, that when it comes to girls who have heavy flow, there is a chance that the cup can fill in an hour, in 2 hours or something like that. And considering that you checked multiple times that if your cup is open inside and you confirmed that your cup was open, this means that blood flow हो गया था. क्योंकि जब मैंने वो बोला भी वॉशरूम में, when I removed the cup, इतना डिफिकल्टी से, the cup was full of blood. ऐसा नहीं था कि उसमें कुछ ब्लड था ही नहीं, भर चुका था वो, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक बाल्टी भर चुका था खून से, वैसा हो गया था, ठीक है. सो माय गायनेक वाज लाइक, सो दैट्स व्हाई लाइक इट्स ओके, यू कैन स्टिल यूज कप्स, बट देखो लाइक कपल ऑफ आवर्स में उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ यूजिंग अ कप इफ आई हैव टू कीप चेंजिंग इट एवरी नाउ एंड देन, यू नो. But you know what, I don't want to give up, because trust me, I'm not going to lie, when it was inside me I felt really good. But probably I also asked her that if probably it's a size issue, because maybe the small size is not collecting too much blood for me. Maybe the medium size would do the work for me, but the medium size is not going inside. So she's like, no, the medium size can go, you try pushing it. If it doesn't, don't force yourself, because सबका vaginal hole अलग होता है, सबका size अलग होता है, the circumference is different, okay. And another thing I realized today after talking to my gynec is, because when I was inserting the cup, as I told you all, ऐसा नहीं डालना है उसको, अपने tailbone की तरफ push करना है. What I realized is that my cervix and my vaginal canal is a bit tilted, because when I was trying to put it ऐसा, like अब मैं ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ, right, I can't show there, but when you're putting it towards your tailbone, right. So if this is your tailbone, it should be going like that. मेरा थोड़ा टेढ़ा जा रहा था. So I just asked her that why is it happening. So she's like, probably you have a tilted you know, canal or a cervix or something like that. And I'm like, wow, today I learned. So she said उसकी वजह से भी कभी-कभी होता है. Now because तेरा flow भी इतना speed में आ रहा है and the cup is a bit tilted because of the हाईवे वो जो स्पीड में वो ब्लड आ रहा है वो पूरा कलेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इट्स बीन अ होल डे राइट नाउ, एंड मेरे को मेरे बॉडी को इतना प्रेशर नहीं डालना है, बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज्यादा क्रैम्प्स हो रहा है इसकी वजह से. एंड माय डॉक्टर ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी कि अपने बॉडी को इतना प्रेशर मत डाल. इफ इट्स नॉट गोइंग, maybe you can just use a small size. But I also told her कि जब I was trying to find the cup while removing, मुझे आ रहा ही नहीं था मेरे हाथ में. तो she's like, ऐसा होता है because you walk, you sit, you keep changing your position, so थोड़ा वो कप का इधर उधर जाना बनता है. मैं बोली इधर उधर जाना बनता है, मेरी गांड फट गई. इधर उधर जाना मतलब कैसे? like no, it's totally normal. You just have to, as I told her earlier, you just have to act like you're pooping really hard so that the cup can come down, and that's how it came down. But भाई, I was not able to find it. मतलब मैं जब हाथ डाल रही थी मेरे को स्टेम तक नहीं मिल रहा था, and I was so stressed कि अब मुझे और ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है मेरे बॉडी में. And my doctor, she was like, वो स्ट्रेस की वजह से भी होता है. So I don't know if I should put my body through this pressure again. I spoke to my friends and they were all very chill about it, because I think उनके अंदर बहुत easily है and they could remove it very easily. But मेरे केस में ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, and they could keep the cup for like hours, for like 8-9 hours, and उनका ऐसा कुछ overflow हुआ नहीं. So let me try putting medium again and I will come back here. Let's see if this time if it works, then ठीक है. If it doesn't, then I'm not gonna force myself. Okay guys, I'm back again, and no, ये मीडियम कप नहीं गया मेरे अंदर. दोनों को धो के लाई हूँ मैं अभी. It just did not go. This was again going inside, but then I don't know man. मतलब मैं डाली छोटे वाले को भी अंदर. How it is sounding. I should use that office ka meme. That's what she said. I think I'm gonna do that. So the verdict is what? What is the verdict? I tried using a cup and it failed. So it's okay, I guess. I'm not going to give up. Maybe I will try this medium thing again later. If it goes then well and good. But I don't know, guys. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था when the cup was inside because it's very difficult to find the cup and get it outside. And मैं तुमको बार-बार बोल रही हूँ, पागलों जैसा खींच के मत निकालना, लवड़े लग जाते. मेरे तो वही हुआ. Please keep pinching this base. उसका vacuum, उसका suction निकालना चाहिए, नहीं निकालना, ठीक है? So yeah, the cup didn't work for me, so I'm gonna go back to using my Stay Free All Night pads. Also, अगर आप लोग मुझे थोड़ा और advice दे सको, what can work for me, because I really want to make this work, but if it doesn't, then it's okay. I can just use pads again. But if there's any other advice, if something similar happened with you all and you all did something else that helped you all, so let me know, because I don't know, man. I've heard a lot of stories where it was very difficult to remove the cup and everything, the suction and everything, and I don't know, मेरे को ज़्यादा पेन भी हो रहा है अभी इधर, क्योंकि मैं इतना बार उसको, क्योंकि वो suction निकल रहा है नहीं, तो जब मैं उसको निकाल रही थी ना, वो it's not good बार बार बिना proper suction निकाले, if you're removing the cup, you're inserting it, just as I said, it just fucks up your muscles down there. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I was really excited. Now I'm really sad that it didn't work, but I think it's for the best only. And हाँ, और भी कुछ try करना है तो बता दो. अभी तो हम खतरों के खिलाड़ी बन ही गए. मैं कल तक सोच रही थी कि यार कप तो मेरे अंदर जा ही नहीं सकता, बट कप गया मेरे अंदर, तो वो भी बहुत बड़ा achievement है मेरे लिए, तो अच्छी बात है. So yes, let me know if there is anything else you want me to try. I can do that, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Be careful, be safe, and I love you. Tata.